Today we are going to talk about combining like terms. Like terms are things that are alike. They're the same thing and they have the same variable. So for today's example, we are using candy, and each letter stands for a different type of candy. So for our expression down here, we have 2J. J is a jelly bean, so that means we have 2 jelly beans. And we also have 3P, or 3 lollipops. Plus 4J means we have 4 more jelly beans. And lastly, we have 5P. We have 5 more lollipops. So then we're going to combine things that are the same or alike. So those are called our like terms. So we're going to add 2J plus 4J. 2 jelly beans and 4 more jelly beans. That is 6 jelly beans. And we also have some lollipops. We have 3 lollipops here and 5 more lollipops for a total of 8 lollipops. This is our final answer. We do not add those two things together because there's no such thing as a jelly bean lollipop. Okay? All right, here's another example. 2J, we start off with 2 jelly beans. And then we add a starburst. If there's no number in front, you can pretend it's a 1 because a starburst is the same as 1 starburst. Plus 3 more jelly beans. Plus a starburst. Ooh, but then take away 2 jelly beans. So I'm not going to add anything to the picture here. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to cross out 2 of the jelly beans. So altogether, I have 1, 2, 3 jelly beans left because I got rid of those. So 3J. And I also have 2 starbursts. So 2S.